Okay, I just learned about baked eggs or shirred eggs, and I wanted to make a video on it because it's so cool. So I have these little small, shallow, but it has some depth to it, baking uh, plates. So I just put, a pat of butter. I like to add a little bit of coconut oil, just a touch because we got a little oil in there. Um, I'm trying it at a higher temperature. I saw this on other YouTube. They say 325, but it takes 10 to 12 minutes, and I kind of like my eggs done a little bit more, so I tried 400, and that worked good. It's just you'll do it for like 7 minutes. So I'm gonna do, whoops, uh, 400 degrees. Oh, this is, if this wasn't hot, I would set this in the oven to melt the butter, but since it's melted, then it's cool. You can, you don't need to do this. I've tried it several different ways, but you can add a little milk or cream, depending on, what you want and ingredients. And so I'm gonna go ahead and add my um, salt and um, seasonings and stuff to this. Put a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. And then you just crack an egg in there. Okay, then you just crack an egg and put it in there, and you slide it in the oven. Okay, and we're gonna let that go for 7 minutes. Okay, and we'll check it in 7 minutes. Okay, I did have a minute left from the 7 minutes. So this is what it's looking like. Added some hash browns. So I'm gonna broil the top. You don't have to, it does come out fine, but I kind of like my top done. So I'm gonna broil it for a minute or so. And I could have probably started broiling it with maybe halfway through, and that probably would have come out better. But I kind of don't like, turn this timer off. Okay, that's 7 minutes, but I turned the broiler on. I kind of don't like the 400 degrees because it kind of um, puts too much heat on the edge. 350 was a lot better, so I would say 350. I mean, you can play with it. But we're going to broil it for maybe another minute, and then I'll take it out and we'll see where we're at. Okay, I forgot about it with the broiler on. So this was in for maybe another minute and a half or 2 minutes or something. So the sides got done a little bit too much. Um, yeah, shoot. Yeah, this should be really easy to come out. All right, with a little finagling, I got it free. I mean, it's so perfectly cooked. The whites are so soft, like when you eat them. But I just overdid it. But these crispy bits, these are actually really good. So I would say 350 for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how done you like it. Um, so good. But I'm gonna wait for my hash browns to be done, and then I'm gonna put this on top. But I just wanted to show shirred or baked egg. This yolk is done, overdone, probably. So it's really actually easy in the oven. I would say don't do 400 unless you're really gonna watch it and all that stuff, because it'll go quicker. But 350 is easy and quick enough, and it doesn't burn the edges like this. And then you don't really have to use the broiler. I just like to, because I actually like sunny side or easy over eggs. So I just use the broiler, but you really don't need to. It comes out pretty nice without the broiler. So, all right, that was it. I just wanted to talk about baked eggs. It comes out easy. It's better. I don't have a smaller pan, so I was gonna pull out my big old pan and use that to make, like, 1, 2 eggs, and I don't like doing that. And this dish, smaller and easier, throw it in the dishwasher, soak it in the water, so it was, and I just I made a couple of eggs in this dish, and the first couple came out with it clean. So this is just your dish will be clean and stuff. You won't mess up your dish really. This is just me going to higher and higher temperatures. So yeah, give baking an egg a try. I mean, it only takes 10 minutes, pretty much the same amount of time, but it's less attention, especially if you only do it at 350. You just set the timer and it comes out great. So try to bake an egg, or it's also called a shirred egg. So, okay, thanks, bye.